Good morning, students. E. Mohanraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. Today, our topic is number series, lesson number 2. We already discussed lesson number 1. We already discussed the 6 types of number series. Let's discuss here the remaining topic. The small recap about the previous section. We already discussed the prime numbers. The prime number is nothing but that number is divided by 1 and divided by the same number. And the next one is additional series. Additional series means just we are adding the one particular number with the previous term. And the next one is different series. Different series is nothing but we are subtracting the one particular number from the previous term. And the next one is multiple series. The multiple series means we are multiplying with the one particular number. Maybe that should be in a 4 or 5 or 10 or 6 like that. And the division series also nothing but just we are dividing the with the help of one particular number on the previous term. And the next one is n square series. N square series means just we are squaring the numbers. For example, 2 squares 4, 3 squares 9, okay, 4 squares 16, and 5 square 25 like that. And let's discuss the remaining types of series. And the seventh one is n square plus 1 series. N square plus 1 series means nothing but just we are squaring the number and we are adding with 1. For example, 2. 2 squares 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay. And the next one is 3. 3 square 9. 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Yeah. If in a series the each term is a sum of a square term and add 1, then this series is called n square plus 1 series. For example, 10, 17, 26, 36, then dash 65. For example, how we will be get the 10? For example, 3 square. 3 square means we will be get the 9. 9 plus 1, 10. And the next one is 4 square, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. The next one is 5 square, 25 plus 1, 26. And the next one is 6 square, 36. 36 plus 1, 37. And the next one is 7 square, 49 plus 1, 50. And the next one is 8 square, 64 plus 1, 65. Hence your answer is 50. You got it right. And the next example number 2, 122, 145, 170, 197, then dash and 257. From this concept we want to find out the n square plus 1. Then for example, 11 square. 11 square means we will be get the 121 plus 1. The answer is 122. And next one is 12 square plus 1. 144 plus 1, 145. And the next one is 13 square plus 1. That is 169 plus 1. The answer is 170. And the next one is 14 square. 14 square means we will be get the 196 plus 1, 197. And the next one is 15 square plus 1. 15 square means 225 plus 1, 226. And the next one is 16 square. Answer is 256 plus 1, 257. The hence is your answer is 226. And the next one is the same concept we already discussed, n square plus 1. Here is n square minus 1 concept. For example, 2 square means 2 into 2, 4, minus 1, 3. That is the concept. Yeah, this series, if the each term is obtained by subtracting the 1 from the square term, then such a series is called n square minus 1 series. For example, 0, 3, 8, 15 and 24, we want to find out the what is the last before number. For example, 0. How we will be got the 0? 1 square. Okay. 1 square. 1 square we will be get a 1. 1 into 1 we will be get the 1. 1 minus 1 0. And the next one is 2 square. 4 minus 1 3. And the next one is 3 square. 3 square means 9 minus 1 8. And the next one is 4 square. 16 minus 1 15. And 5 square. 25 minus 1 24. And 6 square. 36 minus 1 35. And 7 square. Then 7 square means 49 minus 1 48. Hence your answer is 35. And the next example 224, then 195 and 168. Then we want to find out the last before number. 15 square we will be get the 225 minus 1 we will be get the 224, your answer. The next one is 14 square. 14 square means 196. Then we have to list 1. The answer is 195. And next one is 13 square means 169 minus 1 168. And the next one is 12 square. 12 square means 144 minus 1 143 is your answer. And the next one is 11 square. 11 square means 121 minus 120. Hence the answer is 143. And the next one is n square plus n series. It is nothing but just we are square the number and added with that particular number. For example, I am saying 2 square. 2 into 2, 4. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. That is called n square plus n series. The series, which is the each term, is a sum of a number with a square of that number is called n square plus n series. For example number 1, 12, 20, 30, 42. Then we want to find out the last before number. Then the last number is 72. Then let's see, go for the concept. Yeah, 3 square plus 3. Okay, the 3 means that is 3 square. 3 square means 9. Then plus n, that is 3. Okay, then 9 plus 3, 12. And the next one is 4 square. 16 plus 4, 20. The next one is 5 square. 25 plus 5, 30. And 6 square. 6 square means 6 6 are 36 plus 6, that is 42. And next one is 7 square. 7 square means 49 plus 7, 56. And the next one is 8 square. 8 square means we will be get the 64 plus 8 we will be get the 72. Hence the answer is 56. And the next example. Yeah, here is the same thing. Example 420, 930, 1640, then 3660. We want to find out the number. Then 20 square. 20 square means we will be get the 400. 400 plus 20 we will be get the 420. And the next one is 30 square. 30 square means we will be get the 900. Then 900 plus 30, 930. Then 40 square. 40 square means we will be get the 1600 plus 40, 1640. And the next one is 50 square. 50 square means we will be get the 2500 plus 50. Then answer is 2550. And next one is 60 square. We will be get the 3600. Then plus 60, 3660. 60. Your answer is 2550. And the next concept is, let's see, go for the n square minus n series. The same concept we already discussed in the previous topic. Square plus the number, particular number. Square பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் just we are with adding with the same number. Here we are subtracting with the same number. The series in which the each term is obtaining by the subtracting a number from the square of the number is called n square n series. N square minus n series. Example number 1, 42, 30, then dash 12, 6. For example, 7 square. 7 square, we will be get the 49. 49 minus 7, we will be get the 42. And next one is 6. 6 squares, we will be get the 36. 36 minus 6, we will be get the 30. And the next one is 5 square, 25. Then minus 5, we will be get the 20. Answer is 20. And the next one is 4 square, we will be get the 16. 16 minus 4, 12. And the next one is 3 square, 9. Then 9 minus 3, 6. And then the answer is 20. And let's see, go for the next example. 210, 240, 272, 306. And the last before we want to find out, the last is 380. And here is 15 square. Okay, 15 square, we will be get the 225. Then 225 minus 15, we will be get the 210. And the next one is 16 square. 16 square means we will be get the 256. Then if we are less 60, we will be get the 240. The same. Then 19 square minus 19, we will be get the 342. Your answer is 342. Hence the answer is 342. And the next one is n cube series. A number when the multiple with itself twice, then the result is a number is called a cube of a number, and the series is framed by cube of numbers is called n cube series. For example, 1, 8, 27, then 125 and 216. Yeah, 1 into 1 into 1, we will be get the 1. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. For example, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Okay, the same thing here also. The answer is 64. How we will be get the 64? 4 into 4, that is 16. 16 into 4, then 64. That is cube series. And also same, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 100 into 10. Here is 400 into 20. Here is 900 into 20. Here is 1600 into 40. Here is 2500 into 50. Hence your answer is the last one, that is 2,16,000. The next one is cube plus 1. The same thing we already discussed. Square plus 1, square minus 1, the same concept. Cube plus 1. If in a series the each term is a sum of cube term and 1, then this series is called cube plus 1. N cube plus 1 series. 5 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 1, 7 cube plus 1, 8 cube plus 1, that is an answer. Then the 9 cube plus 1, 730. Then answer is 513. The same example, next example. 10 cube plus 1, 20 cube plus 1, 30 cube plus 1, 40 cube, 50 cube and 60 cube. That's all. Thank you, my dear students.